Well, another Turkey Tuesday at Single Vision. We got lots of turkeys after Thanksgiving, so there's Amira having her turkey. Is your turkey good? You just drinking the turkey juice? You're a good girl. There's Bolly and her turkey. You enjoying your turkey? It's a good girl. We got our two youngsters back there waiting on their turkey. Whoop. All right, enjoy your turkey, girls. We got Kalina. She took her turkey in there to be alone. She didn't want to share or eat with anybody. There's Nala girl, enjoying her turkey. How's your turkey, Nala? Is that good? That's good turkey. Big Zeus is the biggest cat, so he got the biggest turkey. My turkey is huge. That's a good boy. And then we got the beautiful Taima with her turkey. All right, everybody, enjoy your turkeys.